I'm Chef Catherine,
And I am Chef Brooklyn.
and we're sophomores at Harrisburg High School. And today on the Tasty Tiger, we will be making dessert crepes. So we need 2 eggs, a tablespoon of melted butter, a half cup flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, strawberries, powdered sugar, chocolate syrup, and a leaf of mint.
Okay, so for our batter, we're gonna mix up the salt, milk, and I just spilled that everywhere, flour, sugar, eggs, and butter that has been melted. And then we're just gonna whisk the batter together to get the eggs mixed in there.
Okay, and over here, I'm just gonna lightly spray this pan. Okay. We're just gonna turn this on to medium heat.
Okay, now that the batter is all mixed, we will put this over medium heat, I believe.
Okay, so for each crepe, we want to take about 3 tablespoons of batter.
And then, while she's actually making the crepes, we're going to do the topping. So we have powdered sugar. You can use as much as you want. We have strawberries, a thing of chocolate syrup, and then a leaf of mint, and then, actually 2 leaves of mint. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll up the leaves and chiffonade them. That. It's really easy to do. And this will go, the chocolate syrup and the strawberries will go on the inside of the crepes, and then the powdered sugar and mint will go on the outside as a decoration and for flavor.
Okay, and then for this one, it's not quite spread out enough, so I'll make sure to do that for the next one. But we're just going to wait until it's golden brown on one side, and then we're going to flip it over.
It's about 1 to 2 minutes on each side then.
Yes.
And then the reason we chose dessert crepes is just because, like, it's easy to do, but it's really good, and I'm a picky eater, so I gotta eat something.
Yeah, and they're very simple.
And I don't think we made a few desserts this year, but I don't think we made anything like this. And we wanted to try something different, not do something that we'd already done this year. Use the tongs.
Yeah.
And that actually looks really good.
Okay, so we're just going to let that get golden brown and turn up the heat a little bit.
Okay.
And like we said, we have strawberries and chocolate syrup for the inside, and then we're going to top it with mint that's been chiffonaded and powdered sugar. Okay, so this one's a little bit small, and it's not quite what we were looking for, but I'm going to go ahead and make another one.
And so on the inside, we're just gonna do a little bit of chocolate syrup and then some strawberries, and we're gonna actually fold it in half so that the strawberries and the chocolate syrup are on the inside of the crepe. It's not going to be that easy to do it with this one since it's so small, but for a larger one it should work. Just press that down. And then on top, we're just going to do a little bit of powdered sugar and some of the chiffonaded mint. And that's one crepe already done. And then that's pretty much it. Yeah. That one's looking a little messy, but
Yeah.
it's actually pretty easy to do. It doesn't take that long, and so yeah.
And it's fairly inexpensive to make, as you can see. And you could actually probably find all of these ingredients at your house.
And then yeah, you can substitute any of the things for the crepe.
Yeah, these are just optional, but it's what we like, so we chose to do those.
Okay, so
Yeah. Okay.
do you want me to end?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for watching us make our dessert crepes, and we'll see you next time on the Tasty Tiger.